Today was another gorgeous sunny day, all thanks to high pressure anchored off of our coastline. There is a cold front moving its way eastward, but it's not going to get here until Friday, if not Saturday. So with that being said, the sunshine continues heading into your day tomorrow. Right along our coastline, temperatures in the morning start out in the upper 60s. We'll be in the middle 60s across the PD and along the border belt. By your lunchtime hour, temperatures warm into the lower 80s right along our coastline, upper 80s heading further inland. And then once we reach the afternoon, we'll be in the lower 90s across the PD and along the border belt, lower to middle 80s right along our coastline. There's a very small chance that if you live across our PD and border belt counties heading into the day tomorrow, you may encounter a very isolated shower, but the chance of one particular location getting rain tomorrow is very, very low. And again, most of you will not be seeing any rain heading into the day tomorrow. By your Friday, that cold front is now moving closer to us, and that will increase the chance for isolated scattered showers and thunderstorms, but still that it will not be a washout, and there will be plenty more time, more drier time than wet time. Temperature-wise, we climb into the lower to middle 80s right along our coastline, middle to upper 80s heading further inland. Regarding what the radar may look like for this weekend, this particular model wants to show a batch of showers and storms moving throughout the morning. We'll see if this actually happens. That will continue throughout the rest of the morning, and by the time we get into the afternoon, the sea breeze will move all that action inland as we head into the afternoon and your evening hours. Heading into your Saturday, very similar story. This front's going to kind of stall in our area, so we're going to have that chance for showers and thunderstorms, but again, no day will be a washout. And last thing I'll mention is don't plan on the radar looking exactly like this. All forecast models are wrong. This just kind of gives us a good idea of what the radar could look like as we head into the foreseeable future. Your weekend forecast as a whole for your Saturday and Sunday, both days will be very similar, with highs along the coastline in the lower to middle 80s, heading further inland, we climb into the middle to upper 80s. And heading into your Memorial Day on Monday, we'll have that chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms, but again, no day will be a washout. Highs will be in the lower 80s right along our coastline, middle to upper 80s heading further inland. Here's a look at your extended 10-day forecast right along our Grand Strand. Not much day-to-day change over the next 5 to 7 days. Highs in the lower to middle 80s every single day with at least a chance for some showers and storms. Overnight lows will be in the lower 70s. Heading further inland, we'll be in the 90s tomorrow and then the upper 80s for the rest of this week with overnight lows in the middle to upper 60s.